What do you get when you mix masking tape, neurographic art, and watercolor galaxies? A relaxing art trip without leaving your chair. Welcome to part 3 of Abstract Watercolor Escape. Still abstract, still watercolor, still a great excuse to ignore your phone for a while. Hi, my name is Fatih, a watercolor artist and online teacher from Warsaw, Poland. When I need to stop the noise in my head, I grab a pen, draw some flowing lines, and then let the watercolor do its thing. That's my version of meditation. And now, it's yours too. In this class, we are turning the things up just a little bit. We are going to use masking tape to divide our paper into 2 contrasting zones, one light, one dark. But our neurographic lines will be the cosmic glue that holds it all together. I'll guide you step by step as we create a vibrant, cosmic feeling piece with washes, splashes, planets, stars, and a whole lot of contrast. You'll practice line drawing, watercolor blending, masking techniques, and most importantly,
slowing down.
This class is for anyone who wants to relax while still making something cool. No perfection needed, just curiosity, your watercolor set, waterproof pen, and some tape. And watercolor paper. We need to do it on something. As always, you can draw right along with me. Nothing is sped up, nothing intimidating. And at the end, you will have a beautiful painting and the peaceful time of not checking the news. By the way, this is what we are painting today. When you are done, share your artwork in the class project gallery. And don't forget to add what you escaped from. Laundry, deadlines, your inbox. We wanna know. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's draw, tape, and paint our way to chill. Excuse me? Jack says that this is still too intense for a relaxing class, so he wants to do one more take with my soothing voice. If you want to relax, this class is perfect for you. We will escape into space. I don't know what to say next. So if you are ready, please come in. As always, the next video will start automatically. Was that better?